Meaning of detection.
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 Detection. Detection refers to the process of identifying or recognizing something. It can involve identifying the presence, location, or characteristics of a particular object, substance, or phenomenon. This can be achieved through various methods such as visual, auditory, chemical, or electronic sensing. The result of detection is usually the acquisition of information about the detected object or phenomenon, which can then be used for further analysis or action. Common examples of detection include detecting the presence of a virus in a biological sample, detecting the movement of an object using a sensor, or detecting the presence of a potential threat in a security system.